Hello friends, if someone asks me whether CA is a degree or character, I would say it's more a character and less a degree. And the first characteristic, that is discipline. If you give me two students, one is knowledgeable and one is disciplined, I would strongly say a disciplined student will become a chartered accountant first. In fact, for making someone chartered accountant, there are 4 pillars needed. 2 pillars on the side of students, 2 pillars on the side of Navkar Institute. Number 1, the student himself or herself. He or she needs to be honest about their studies. If you are dishonest with your studies, if you are not trying to study well, or if you are doing under the pressure of someone, you won't become a chartered accountant. It is being said somewhere that if you prepare 120% in CA, 100% you will get your result. If you prepare 100%, 80% chance that you may become a chartered accountant. 80% if you prepare, 50% chance that you will become a chartered accountant, and if you prepare 50%, you won't become a chartered accountant, because this professional examination you can't give half-hearted. So you need to be honest with your studies. The second pillar is on our side, and that is our faculties. In fact, our faculty, a troop of around 70 faculties we have. They are in-house faculties. They are easily approachable. It's not like that they are coming here, delivering lectures and going back. In fact, they are full day available because they are on roll at Navkar Institute. The third pillar, that is our admin staff. We have a team of around 100 admin staff, including pew, security staff, other admin staff. They are working day and night. They are working very hard. What is their importance? In fact, if this mic is not working, if this projector is not working, if AC is not working, I won't be able to deliver the lecture. So the third pillar, that is the admin staff of Navkar. And fourth, that is the parents. Parents needs to be involved within this process to make someone chartered accountant. It's essential that after studying at Navkar, even they need to focus on their kids even at home. One of the feature which I want to say, what about the sure success at Navkar Institute, specifically at the first level, that was CPT and CA Foundation, that is our video lectures. In fact, we recorded video lectures for CPT in 2012, and afterwards it was being freely made available to all our students. Someday it is happening that you are ill, someday you are not mentally ready to study, someday you have social function, you couldn't attend the lecture. In that case, you can recover everything with the faculty, with the mentor, with the tutor, but at the same time at home you can study all the concept once again and again through video lectures. Now what happened? Afterwards CA Foundation came, and in CA Foundation what we did, first of all we drafted a good material, and afterwards we recorded video of almost 500 hours for our students, and now it is being freely made available to all our students. Sometimes students are facing problem in a subject of QA, where they are getting the chapter of science streams like differentiation, integration, but this would be available to all our students in video lectures. And because of that, in December 17 attempt, we had 3 students. They were of commerce background, but still they could get 50 out of 50 in QA subject. That is of science stream, and that is now being asked in commerce, but still they are doing wonders because of the availability of the video lectures. And I can assure you this would be available at intermediate level as well as final level to all our students, and that gave us a concept of Navkar Digital Institute. We are being the only institute in India who is giving these video lectures free of charge to all our students who is studying at Navkar Institute, and this is doing value addition in their studies. Thank you.